In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack in 2025 with this comprehensive guide designed for beginners. If you're looking to dive into the realm of publishing your own newsletter, Substack offers an accessible and user-friendly platform to get you started. So let's walk through the steps to create, publish, and distribute your content effectively. Firstly, you need to create a publication on Substack. Once you're on the homepage, locate the account icon in the upper right corner of your screen and click on it. This will take you to your account options. From there, go ahead and select settings to further personalize your Substack account. Within the settings menu, you'll find the option to create another publication. Click on that to begin setting up your new newsletter. An important part to note here is naming your publication and its URL. Choose a name that reflects your content's theme or purpose, keeping it simple and memorable. After naming your publication, hit Continue to proceed. Next, you have the option to import an existing mailing list. This can be incredibly useful if you're transferring from another platform or already have a list of readers. Simply click on Select File to upload your list. Additionally, if you want to add subscribers individually, you can do so by entering their email addresses manually. After setting up your subscribers, click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to create your first post. Click on New Post and select Text Post to get started. A good post has a captivating title, so make sure you come up with something that will grab attention. As you dive into writing, start by typing in a highlight for your post, followed by a subtitle to give readers a quick glimpse of what to expect. Then proceed to enter the main body or content of your post. Remember, this is the heart of your newsletter, so make sure you deliver valuable and engaging content. Once you're satisfied with your post, click Continue, located at the upper right corner, to advance. At this point, you can choose your audience, decide whether to send your post to everyone or limit it to paid subscribers only. You can also select the comment settings, allowing everyone to comment or disabling comments entirely if that aligns better with your publication strategy. Another feature to consider is adding tags to categorize your post, which helps readers discover your content more easily. Additionally, you can choose to send your content instantly or schedule it for a later time. Substack makes it convenient by offering the option to send your post via both email and the Substack app. Finally, when you're ready to distribute your content, click on Send to Everyone Now. To make sure you're effectively engaging with potential subscribers, don't forget to add the subscribe buttons. After this, click Continue. You'll have one more chance to review everything before you send it out to your entire audience with the Send to Everyone Now option. Following these steps will set you up perfectly to start connecting with your readers on Substack. Happy publishing!